Hey guys, welcome to the new channel. Today in this video we have this iPhone XS Max and I'm going to show you how you can fix your phone if it's stuck on a black screen and it's in DFU mode. So I'm going to show you how you can easily exit the DFU mode on iPhone XS Max. So here we go. First of all, just connect the cable with your phone and then you have to follow these steps. Press the volume up key, volume down key, and then hold the side button. So here we go, volume up, volume down, and then hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo. When the phone vibrates, leave the side button, and there we go. Now you can see the Apple logo. So guys, that's how you can fix your iPhone stuck on a black screen. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.